Look, we all know SOLIDWORKS training from MLC CAD Systems is hands down best way to maximize your investment in the software. And we offer a huge variety of public training classes that covers the entire suite of SOLIDWORKS products. But we also realize that there are some situations where customization might be required. Maybe you just signed a big project that's going to require you to immediately ramp up all of your personnel with a completely new skill set. Or maybe you really need to tailor the training to your particular product line. Well, this is where we can come in and have a conversation with you where we customize a training agenda for your specific needs. Now, just like all of our training, our custom training is live and it's instructor-led. And that means that during the training, you can immediately ask questions and immediately receive an answer from a qualified instructor who has real-world industry experience. The delivery method is flexible as well, so if virtual training is more convenient, we can do that. If it makes more sense to go into one of our office locations, we have plenty throughout our territory. We can even come on site if that's more effective for you. So if you're ready to really maximize the productivity of your SOLIDWORKS users, give us a call and see why our motto is unbeatable service. We're looking forward to hearing from you.